You're gonna love this crispy, melty marinara Texas toast. Your family's gonna love it, and it's gonna take you like 20 minutes to make it. That sounds good, right? Let's go make it. Since I guess I don't want my family to go hungry, I scrounged up a few things from the freezer and the pantry today to make a super easy dinner. It's just a handful of ingredients. I think it's gonna be really quick, and I think it's gonna be really good. Now we just have to wait for this griddle to get hot. I think we've got a hot griddle. We're going for a medium-high heat. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on just so our ground chicken doesn't stick. I only had ground chicken. Of course, you can use the ground beef. When I say I scrounged this stuff together for dinner, I really, really did. So we're going with the ground chicken. It's gonna be good. Once your ground chicken starts cooking, we're just gonna break it up. We're just making the most basic meat sauce. And by basic meat sauce, I mean meat and sauce. We're gonna keep our seasonings really simple too. We're just gonna do some salt and pepper. And we're also gonna use some of Blackstone's brand new garlic butter seasoning. I thought that would be delicious on here. And then we'll just combine it and keep breaking up this chicken. Now this chicken's almost done cooking, which means we're like almost halfway done with this already. It doesn't have to be fancy to be good. This is done cooking. So now I'm gonna add, oh, there we go. We're gonna take our marinara sauce and we're gonna pour it on. And we might not necessarily wanna do the whole jar since we are putting this on top of the toast. And we wanna make sure that our temperature is turned all the way down, just because we just kind of want this to simmer for a few minutes. Then we can start toasting our bread. So then we can just throw everything together really quick. I know I keep saying that, but seriously, who doesn't love a quick and easy meal? I know I do, especially when I didn't have anything planned for dinner. It's always a win. So I'm just gonna take my Texas toast, and I've got this on the lowest heat over here. We'll get one side of these toasting. This will be our bottoms, and we'll flip them over and add sauce. All right, these are already getting perfectly toasty, so I'm just gonna flip these over. We want to take our spoon and push the bread down a little bit so that we make room for the sauce. When you've squished that down in there, then you have a little more space to put your sauce and your meat. And I think this is a good thickness too. It's not going to make your bread too soggy. Now we're just gonna top these with some mozzarella cheese. You can make them as cheesy or as not cheesy as you want. We're just gonna cover these to help melt that cheese. I'm just gonna give a little squirt of water around there. Let's see how these are looking. Oh yeah, they are ready. These are looking so good just the way that they are, but I am going to sprinkle them with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then I'm gonna sprinkle them with just a little bit of parsley because it looks a little fancier, that's all. That's it. I'm gonna put these on this board so that my family can just come and grab one or two or three. My mouth is watering just looking at these because I know they're gonna be good. So you know there's only one thing left to do, right? We're gonna try it before our family gets it. And I'm gonna pick the best one that has this like crispy cheese on the bottom. Look at the crispy cheese that's on the bottom of that one. This is gonna be the best one. We're golden and crispy on the bottom. We're melty and cheesy on the top. Our marinara sauce is in the middle. It's like the perfect bite when you're done with your spaghetti and there's all that sauce left. And that's exactly what this is. This is so good. Go make it, tell me what you think. Thanks for being here. Make sure to click subscribe and I'll see you next time.